ready to launch your dream beauty brand and conquer the online marketplace. First, let's talk about what you'll be selling to truly shine in the competitive beauty industry. Niche specialization is your secret weapon. Think about a specific area. Are you focusing on clean beauty, vegan skincare, specialized makeup for a particular skin tone, or perhaps sustainable hair care? Researching trending ingredients and identifying underserved markets will be your foundation for success. Next, we'll build your digital storefront. Shopify offers intuitive tools to create a stunning website. Prioritize high-quality, aspirational product photography. This is non-negotiable in beauty. Ensure every product listing includes detailed ingredient information, benefits, and usage instructions. This transparency builds trust. Think about your store's aesthetic. Why does it evoke luxury, natural wellness, or bold artistry? This visual identity is key to attracting your target customer. Now, let's get people shopping. Marketing in beauty is all about connection. Leverage influencer marketing by collaborating with creators who align with your brand values and audience. Offer personalized recommendations. Why perhaps a skincare quiz or a virtual try-on feature. If applicable, engage your community through social media, sharing tutorials, behind-the-scenes content, and user-generated reviews. Building genuine customer relationships through excellent service and exclusive offers will foster brand loyalty and drive sales. By focusing on niche products, investing in a captivating store design, and implementing smart marketing strategies that prioritize customer experience and influencer collaborations, you're not just building a store. You're building a brand people will love. This is how you increase sales and cultivate lasting brand loyalty in the exciting world of beauty e-commerce. #Shopify Beauty #ECOMMERCE Beauty.